Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to watch videos on the breaking news application, but first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. Then tap on this news icon down below, which is the first one indicated by this globe image. And then you should click on the third option at the top of the screen called videos. So click on it. And then you are going to see all the videos uploaded to this application, their topic. So you can choose from a vast variety of topics, as you can see. And as I'm observing, it is organized into it's organized by the time of the upload. So at the top you're going to see the latest videos. So if you're interested in any of these, just simply click on the relevant one, and then you will be able to read the headline of the video, and then you can click on the video itself in order to watch it. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, consider subscribing, and see you in the next video. Bye bye.